Welcome to Vestige Wish You Wealth. Subscribe now for more videos and click the bell icon for updates. Today, we'll discuss about the latest plan, Atmanirbhar Success Plan. As per this plan, there are few changes which we'll discuss here. Retail profits will be 10% to 20%, which will be normal as before. That is the first income. The second income will be performance bonus, which will be 5 to 11%. Earlier it was 5% to 20%, and now it has been changed to 5% to 11%. So the calculation of performance bonus we'll discuss here later. The third income is bronze director bonus, which will be 4%, and now this is exclusively for bronze director. So it will be a good income for bronze director achievers. Fourth income will be business building bonus, which will be 14% for silver directors and above, which is nothing but the earlier director bonus. But here, bronze director bonus has been introduced, so the fourth business building bonus will be exclusively for silver directors and above for 14%. The fifth income will be leadership overriding bonus, which is 16%. Earlier it was 15%, and now it has been increased to 16%. Sixth income will be travel fund, which has been increased to 5% from 3%, and now it will be given only up to 5 levels, but it will be a good income. Seventh and eighth income is car fund and house fund, which will be normal as before, 5% and 3%. And ninth income is another new income exclusively for double crown directors and double universal crown directors, that is elite club bonus, which will be 2%. So now we'll move on to performance bonus, which is 5% to 11%. So it will be like as below. Performance bonus 5% to 11%. So now 1 to 599 PV, it will be 5%. Earlier it was 1 PV to 500 PV. And then 600 to 2399 PV, it will be 8%. Earlier it was 501 PV to 2000 PV. And then after it will be 2400 to 5499 PV, it will be 10%. And above 5500, the 5500 PV and above, it will be 11%, and it will be classified as bronze director level completed. So this is a happy news for all of us. So the changes is that earlier, in order to reach bronze director level, we'll have to complete 10,001 PV, whereas now we'll have to complete only 5500 PV. So by reaching the new 11%, we'll be completing the bronze director level. And here also the fast start promotion is there in Atmanirbhar Success Plan. The fast start 8% is still 282 PV, even though the 5% is up to 599 PV. And fast start bronze director will be 4500 PV, which we'll have to do within a month in order to achieve it. So now fast start bronze director can be achieved in 4500 PV, whereas earlier it was 7500 PV. So it is a good change for all newcomers. And now we'll move on to qualification rules for Atmanirbhar Success Plan. Here the bronze director level maintenance is same as old 2001 PV, like in old plan. So each level maintenance will be same criteria. And then for all crown director and above, even though your downline maintains same level, now we'll be receiving 1+3 depth LOB. So this will be a combination of old plan and new plan. As Mr. Gautam Bali sir said, this criteria or qualification rule was introduced in order to give us more income. So it's another happy news for all LOB achievers. Then comes the business rule for capping in car fund, house fund and elite club fund. So car fund will be 80,000 per month as normal before. House fund will be 1 lakh per month as before. And then there is a capping for the Elite Club Fund as well, which will be 20 lakhs per month. And this plan of Atmanirbhar Success Plan will be valid from June 2020 to December 2020. So get ready to achieve W Universal Crown Directors within December 2020. So I hope there will be more achievers of W Universal Crown Directors in the coming months. As Mr. Gautam Bali sir said, Atmanirbhar was our vision from 2004, and now Atmanirbhar Success Plan has been introduced in this pandemic situation in order to make sure that each one of us is earning a good amount of income in this difficult times. So thanks a lot for our directors. So wish you wealth. Subscribe for more videos.